Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I found the perfect solution for the lack of electricity that we have out in our warehouse. These solar powered lights that I got from ropelux have been absolutely perfect. We simply installed the solar panel on the outside of our warehouse, and for now I threaded it through the window and alongside the staircase into this little closet. So we're doing an off-grid bathroom, and I'm so stoked on this light. For one thing, it has 3 different types of light, so I can go for like super bright or dim, or I can go warm, cool, or a mixture. Also, I'm delighted with the look of this lamp. It has a farmhouse style to it, and so it actually just kind of classes up this little closet and in the main area where we're building a rec room. One of my favorite things about all the options that these lights have is that I can set them to be motion censored, and it is really nice and sensitive. So see that I don't have to be super close to the light for it to sense me and to come on automatically. This comes with a remote and it has 5 different settings that you can choose from, so you can find the perfect one for whatever your setup is. I feel you really can't go wrong with these lights. They look awesome and they're well made. And that's my point of view.